Here we are, outstanding in our field in Kent, down near Ashford, in a field of winter wheat, drilled here direct into grass on the 18th of October last year. The sheep were moved off and we went straight in with the low disturbance kit. So that is the double front disc and the twin tine on the back. Now, this part of the world has an average rainfall of around about 750 millimeters. Their wettest month is October and their driest month here is around about February. So both months being quite tricky months to be drilling in, but this crop is a good indication of how versatile the hybrid drill is. Front tine in the A share when you need it, to create drainage, put air in the soil and remove compaction, and then when you want to go low disturbance, say into grassland or into cover crops, pull out that front tine, replace with the double disc or the single disc, and replace that A share with the twin tine kit. This is actually heavy clay soil. After a year of mellowing and being exposed to the elements, it's actually got quite a lot of friability in the top 25 millimeters. It's actually in good condition. See, it's nice and crumbly. But if you dig down a bit deeper, which is going to be difficult, of course, whilst we're on camera, you can just see, actually this gives you a good idea of, this is the stuff that's exposed to the surface, 25 millimeters down. You can see that starting to break down, and anything that was left over, which was the grass residues, just turned into organic matter and contributed to the fertility in the top, which is our growing zone. But if I was to dig down a little bit, which is going to be quite difficult without a fork, or maybe I can just remove this out of the way and show what it's like underneath. Oh, here we are. That's what we're dealing with down below. Heavy, generally speaking, quite cold clay, which at the wrong time of year is very hard to deal with, and of course at the right time of year, a dream to deal with. But look, this is basically an example of what's possible with the low disturbance kit, really. Like I said, direct into grass, 185 kilograms a hectare. Farmer's happy.